Now this is how you can change and edit the album name on the iPad. Let's get started. So if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, you can open up the Photos app like usual, go to the collection section where you can check out like the pinned collections, featured photos, whatever, and you can also find the albums right there. And you can see we have a couple of them, but the point is that you can hold down on it to make the other options appear, and one of them is the pencil icon with edit title and photos, right? So you can click on that, and the edit title basically changes or edits the name of the album, right? So you get to tap on the X or remove it, type something else in, and it's going to be the new name of the album of photos. Also, you can tap on the plus button and start a new album altogether where you pick the name from scratch and you import all of the photos and pictures that you need, right? So you don't, if you have like a bunch of old albums, you can just start a new one anyway and import the new clips so you begin from the square one if you want to. But that's how it works. It's really not that difficult. So in case you have some questions or something, leave it below in the comments. But I'm going to wrap up the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials.